What kind of raptor is this? It's a Stiller sea eagle, the largest sea eagle in the world. What kind of raptor is this?
This is a golden eagle with a wingspan of up to 2 meters, often preying on hares and foxes.
What kind of raptor is this?
This is an African crowned eagle, the national bird of Zambia, the largest raptor in Africa, capable of hunting antelopes and monkeys.
What kind of raptor is this?
This is a peregrine falcon, known for its incredible speed, diving at speeds of up to 245 miles per hour.
What kind of raptor is this?
This is a vulture, a large raptor that feeds on carrion.
What kind of raptor is this?
This is a Philippine eagle, the national bird of the Philippines, historically known for hunting monkeys.
What kind of raptor is this?
This is a harpy eagle, with talons that can exert a grip of over 66 pounds, easily crushing the skulls of its prey.
What kind of raptor is this?
This is an Andean condor, the largest raptor in the world.